Hello everyone. Hmm, I think you are doing great and I'm doing fantastic. Okay, at this time, my topic is my favorite movie. Actually, as a Bengali, I most like Bangla movie and I most like Hindi movie. But right now at this time, I very much like English movie because you know that I'm learning English and I want improve my English skill. So I'm every day trying I'm every day try to watching English movie. Actually, when I get a time, that time I watch English movie. Actually, I was. I watched podcast movie. It is very wonderful, I think, because I watching every day. It's when I get time, and I most like Bangla movie. You know that as a Bangladeshi and Bengali, so I don't know movie name because I কথা বলেন অন্তরা that time I was like kidding. Actually, that time I was 10 years old. 50 years old. So that time I was seeing every day Bangla movie, every day Hindi movie because you know that we are improving our English skill and we are improving our life. So at this time we don't have any time for watching any type of movie. I think you got it. You understand. So at this time if you want improve your English skill, so you don't have was Bangla movie, you don't have was Hindi movie. I think you have to watch only English movie. If you and you have to favorite English movie. So I think if you watching every day, I think you will be fluent speaker in English sometimes later. I think if I watching English movie, so English my favorite movie, and I think I will improve my English skill with movie today and tomorrow, and I will success. I think that I will success today or not tomorrow. So I'm trying to watching English movie. Actually, I don't know many type of English movie name, and I don't focus movie name. I focus the scenery. What is the scenery? Who is person? Talk who anything talk that time I'm trying to listening her voice who is মানে তারা কি বলছে সেটা আমি চেষ্টা করি so I don't focus movie topic I don't yes I focus movie topic but I don't focus movie name. I think you are understand. So I suggest you everyone if you want improve your English skill, so you have to watching podcast English video and you have to watch English any type of movie. You can watch it, and after watching, you will understand that I think you will be fluent speaker today or tomorrow. Okay, that's all. Thank you so much for watching me.